Ebenezer and Pisgah Agency Chuang Veng Ther hi Ministry of External Affairs Government of India Noya Recruiting Agency ni a foreign and hathok du tan agency rin tlak label sian tlak kan ni e tin training center fil file hostel theng thonam tak omboke kan nauti an ma ani du tak le an pom thlap na kan zon sakin an kal main en kim fil file tak ro man chin ni a foreign anum chung zungin an har sat na te bil zui ringin an na thona mun Singapore at lo chin an ni bok tin ke ma ani Noya kal te to central license nei chup tena anti the insurance kan ti sak thei bake foreign na thoi du chuan min lo pan ve nge donia Ebenezer and Pisgah Agency Chuang Veng Ther phone number 8131-984-127 7005-362-905
foreign na thok du dan Ebenezer and Pisgah Agency te hi lo dor ve theu don in lo be chiang don ania ole ogas ni som pasare sang hi som hi paruk ani Donald Trump lo che mak le to khop maya riel lo chung hian in thil mak pui hi lo ti thina to chuan in Donald Trump hian in South Korea te ne na relationship thatak an nei ma kan ti lai khan om zia bera chuan tu na tan big te poni mai theya Donald Trump hian in South Korea te hi a phat san ani tu te la kha phat san kan ti chuan North Korea la ka Donald Trump hian in Donald Trump cuts US role in South Korea drills tu na hian in US te le South Korea te hian annual military exercise ka nga nei dun turani heram pani hian amaro so Trump hian in US pai te hi khamia khanin telvelo turina ti dai achan chu North Korea te nen hian in lei chin na thatak kan nei ani a ti dai mai ani makte thut khop mai hetiang hi chu kumtin nei thin an nia kumin te taka hetianga a che thut hi chu engei omzia he video hian in kan react chawang
US President Donald Trump has turned down the volume on one of America's biggest military partnerships in Asia, and North Korea's Kim Jong-un is at the center of it. Trump has ordered the Pentagon to substantially scale back US participation in the 10-day military drills with
Trump hian in Pentagon hena thuwa pe ni amak khop mai he thili chu keipo min thong ani he thil takhi chuan mo engwanga hetianga ma kum zong po a lo thok ho thin tu na te taka hetianga an ti thut mak ang reng khop mai Iran Indo na tinen po hinain kung kai thei mai ngem ti te po hi ngai tua na hian in a oma
South Korea, which begin today. The reason is quote-unquote very good relationship with Kim.
Common la Kim Jong-un nen hian in lai chi na thatak kan nei ani chu wang chuan in Pentagon te hena hian in tiang hian in order ka chua US pai te hi South Korea te ne na hetianga drill an nei tu laka hian tello turin thu ka pi ani atiani hi North Korea te na mo englo South Korea le US te hetianga military drill an nei train hi North Korea te ngai dana chuan US le South Korea te hian in North Korea hi minron runa minron be tumna atan hetiang hian in an lo training lo kani hemi atan chi hian in an training lo kani ti hi North Korea mu dana ni amaro chu South Korea le US te chuan North Korea na South Korea a be thut pal ani a lo in ven dan tur khabi kha kan training chanani anti vele thungani North Korea thi dan le South Korea le US te thi dan ha adang le daya khatiang khathil om dan ani a poni se mak deu chu Trump na hetianga Kim Jong Un nen hian relationship thatak kan nei ni aron tili ringo ta hi tun haya anin bia in anin komin phone te pon anin bia ti vel eng ma hria tur om boxi lawa vele top maya a common low rem khop mai
I am not happy with the fact that the United States has long ago agreed to participate in joint military exercises.
South Korea tin hin relationship thade wan nei mo ka tiama ro Trump na soidan ni chuanin US na hetianga kumtam takkal ta South Korea tin na joint military exercise nei tura kan lo in rem siam hi kizu hemi chungcha hen ka lom lo ani ati dai mai ni Trump hian mo nge lom lo na chan
with South Korea. These exercises are not only costly, with much of these costs paid for by the United States of America, but send a signal that is totally inappropriate and hostile.
Hey karin dan chuan tunhaya Iran ten hian in anin do na sa a sum an mang na sa do na ni chu wang chuanin tuna South Korea le United States te military exercise an nei dun tur hi om zia bra chuan in Trump soi dana chuan United States te hian in khami training an nei na turata na suman ma mo zong atam zo ka kha United States la minan perfect ni na lang ani hi Trump soi dana ni ya chu wang chuanin atowe ma training dun man hi United States ten kan tum vek boxia a tru lo ani ati ni berin ka sia Trump chuan baka tuna aron soizom tu ra hi send a signal that is totally inappropriate and hostile ti hi North Korea te tan chuanin South Korea le US te tianga training kan lo ti dun thri na hi an ngai thei don lo ani tiang zong hian Trump hian in North Korea lampang thlawang ron ho dai mai ni South Korea lampanga an ram suai tu te pon meng phok ve vi win karing tiang Trump ron tong chuak rengot thimo
to a country that, as long as Donald J. Trump has been president, has been unthreatening and respectful.
North Korea te hi ke president chung chuanin I ramdang te tan an hlawm lawa I ramdang te za takin an che jok thri ani ti angzong khanin Trump hian in North Korea hi ron chan dai mai ni le dai mai na.
Trump has directed the U.S. Secretary of War Pete Hegseth to reduce the scope of the Algae Freedom Shield military drills. The exercises reportedly include training to counter drones, GPS, disruption and cyber attacks.
Cyber attack te GPS disruption le drone mga bay an to huna an lawin vendan tur vel te training an nei don di na langa news masala makanon react to ang khan Ukraine te ne na Ukraine le Russia te indo na atanga enge drone warfare kan ti ang ti te po kha heng training US le South Korea military exercise ate po hian zirtel tur ni o mane amaro chu Pentagon te lampang hian hetiang hian in order an muwa Trump atangin tuda hianin news ina soidan mang chuan until thowanga United States te amaro chu until dana kha hei za azani to lo khanin I za asomnga or maybe 40% 30% kami kha chu anron soi chiang chi chuang lawa amaro chu hey they have told the military to cut down the scope of the training and titani kha until lo vek don tina chu ani chuangin ka ring lawa to anron soidan mang khi chuan amaro chu apma a ingki matil vek tura kha enge mawa chau khanin until ve to don zok ni na lang ani United States sipai te hi achan chu Trump angai dana chuanin atawa atu lowa ramdang kan ti phok lek mai tiang zong hi Trump angai dana ni.
Meanwhile, South Korea has said that the drills will go ahead as planned with the participation of about 18,000 members of their troops. The exact number of US troops participating in the drill is not known.
Hi South Korea pan chan kan kaltang pui don thowan te ni heteng hi tha ama tang an lo tum to an lo in board sai to riru te polo in roman vek tong si pai te po mo heteng a thilan board sai to sa hi chu te henin kal pui zel se tha tuna video kan mu hi ni ku mogas ni somni pasari sang hi somni panga ania he United States flag te lam South Korea flag te teng henin mu tu rom hi an lo training don thin to ti kha chiang renga amaro chu tuna hian South Korea sipai te hi teng hianin an lo in board side oinan kal tanga mi sing khat sang riat vel South Korea tang hianin an tel don ni na amaro chu United States sipai te lampang hi engza ta tam ngi an tel don ti ero hi chu soi thei ala ni lawani soi tong ha rin dan chuan United States te hi Patriot le that air defense system te na an mantur missile siam nan te hian Lockheed Martin te nin kasya chuanin company dang ten po hianin defense contract ang chi te po kha an sign bill le nual ni na langa khanglama te po khanin poisa kha an in sorbing du zok te po ani mai thei ani achan chu hetianga training an nei don he chuan sum lo lak pen na tur kha a om ve zel don awang khan hetiang hianin Trump chuanin helma hem poisa kan mamo ti top ai chuan hetiang zong de ti hianin a ron soi emoni chu o ti thei turani ema ngai dana chumo.
However, the participating US forces are drawn from the approximately 28,500 American troops permanently stationed in South Korea. Now, Trump has a history of linking US-South Korea military exercises to his diplomacy with Pyongyang. During his first term, Trump also moved to reduce or suspend some major exercises after his 2018 summit with Kim Jong-un. He had then said that those war games cost the US a tremendous amount of money. And now, in 2026, that approach appears to be making a comeback.
Hei kumsang ni som paret po khan Trump hian hetiang hianin chet alo la to a kumsang ni som paret adei to khanin Donald Trump chon hetianga United States le South Korea military exercise in sum amamo nem wangin North Korea ti phok lek thei lo tur zonga hetianga malak na hi alo nei to ani chu kumsang ni som ni paruka hian hetiang hi kan hu chole don ni na langa nge nia Trump hianin arukin kan thriat lo hianin thilte hi alo manga North Korea hi hei engemani keni na kan lo hre thiam ve phak si lo politics deu emo military strategy North Korea hetianga hanti lom atum deu na chan khang te po kha eng mon thuruk in phum ru te pok kha alo om ve thai ani hi chu nakina ron in play zel se a thanga chan chu China an lian tel tel khilama hian chuanin China hian Japan an ngai thei vak lawa China lampang hian in Taiwan te poila kan tumang reng khop maya khateng kha thilom dan ani a chuanin China le Russia te khi an in thian tha ang reng box ya tu lai tak phei chu ti chuan North Korea te po hi Russia te China te nen po soizo man ni deuh thina hei wang te po hi an ni angem mo tu na hianin United States Iran te nen hianin dilan siam hlei thei box si lawa vo in nge nak tu ka hiano US le Iran in kara official taka ni somruk chung in ka hayan puan te po kha atop to don ani mo khami te po kha video lampa kan riek leng video danga he thilei zo achan dik tak hri da chak om hle mai
Trump has signaled an interest in re-engaging with Kim. The US president recently shared a photo of himself with Kim on Truth Social, writing that the two leaders get along great despite the unfriendly look in the particular picture.
He tala ka hianin kanin enge kan mail om dan hi chu enge kanin nel vak lo ang tepon kan lang mai thea maro chu kanin ngai na hle ani ti in Donald Trump hin ti hianin ron post le top mai ni vele pop maya.
The American president met the North Korean leader 3 times during his first term to discuss the country's nuclear program.
North Korea na nuclear program anei ti pui tur hianin Donald Trump hianin na Trump masa khanin Kim Jong Un hi voi thum lai lo mu to ani mungu dang reng khop mai ram pakhat
Their
president
most recent interaction being in 2019.
2019 ngai om hla mai COVID-19 ma mo.
So the message from Washington appears to be this: keep the door open to Kim and avoid military moves that could make the diplomacy harder.
Tunai hianin Kim Jong Un te tan hianin kong hi tiang hian hon sakila US le North Korea te in lai china ti che thei zo nga khatianga malak na kha atu lem lawani chuanin khatiang lampang ha chonin in nam noi vak lawang u ti kha tuna United States abiken Donald Trump administration noya an ngai dan ni berin lang tuna hian
North Korea has also been critical of the drills. In fact, it has routinely denounced US-South Korea military exercises, describing them as provocations. It has also not given up on its nuclear or missile programs. In fact,
North Korea hian in nuclear and missile program hi alaban san mi alawa hetiang ani mek lai hianin US le South Korea te military drill an nei dun thine hi chu soi sel vereng thawani hi Kim Jong Un hi afanu ni en ka ria heta po hianin ani pa fa hi chu hriat thei khop mai.
In fact, Pyongyang has continued to develop its military capabilities. North Korea has also strengthened its defense ties with Russia.
China po ha ka soi halo dik cheng ha North Korea le Russia te hi nang ni nai khop mai tun lai hi mo,
including deploying troops to support Russia-Ukraine war.
North Korea hian in an ram sipai te hi Russia than pui tur hian in lo tir chuak ve bok ni na lang ani.
US officials have warned that this experience could help North Korea forces develop new battlefield capabilities.
Nia adikang United States lampang ina ngai dan so ni North Korea sipai te hetiang ava thon chu an ni hi chuan Ukraine do Indo na hi chu tle min achang kang ve to dewa chu van chuan in thil tam tak sipai te hian in an wazir don ti achianga khang an thil zira te kha North Korea an hon pui le huna khanin an pu te le an sipai pui te nena te po khanin an zir tir le nge hin arin oma chu wang chuan in North Korea lampang te po hi an lo advance ve zel dona hetianga boina siam le boina chok chuak thei zonga lo chet ai hi chuan in nu dok ri zok mayang u an ti te po ni na lang dona ni he.
And this comes just days before the US-South Korea drills. As a warning, North Korea launched a ballistic missile.
Video masalama kan react to heti hi chu Kim Jong Un ti dan thin pa ngai ni hetiang hi chu mo video masalama po kan soi tong khanin North Korea lampang hian in ballistic missile kap chuak pop mai ni aka chu pop na chan chu South Korea le US na military drill an nei don wang khani hetiang hian in Kim Jong Un hian in kumtin hian US le South Korea na military drill an nei don na peng hian in ballistic missile lo kap chuak ve ji ani hei ke ni bon ral thuam thadeu kan nei ani ti US le South Korea te shia tir du na statement mo warning ang reng deuh khan mo lo kap chuak ve ji mai ni ka khap mani apokan react to ha,
prompting emergency alerts in Seoul and Tokyo. But the North Korea threat is only one side of the story. Trump also says South Korea refused to back the US on an important decision.
I recently asked the president of South Korea if they would like to join us in the denuclearization of the Islamic Republic of Iran.
I see.
And they said, no thanks.
Ka thla thiam ta Trump hian in South Korea president hi Iran kan be na hian in miron chan pui du angem ti ina lo zo ta ni oma amaro chu South Korea president hianin ai alo ti ni oma ni Trump pa chon hetiang hi a thei ngil ngai lo Trump pa chon hetiang hi thei ngai thil ho te a kan ngai hi Trump he chon la thu tak khop mai an ngai da nei nang lo an ngai da nei nang la an ngai da ni nan lo wang hianin in hmelmak tur tin an suang lo amaro chu an ngai da nei an lo wang le Trump pa na khatianga a som na Korea president South Korea president lo ngai poi mo lo wang hanin ke ni pon train hi kan nei pui big lawang cheu tiang zong de wa phubalak na te po ang rum mai a
South Korea is a long-standing US ally, but its refusal to get involved in the escalating West Asia crisis may alter that dynamic as Trump is now openly expressing his frustration.
Ka se thia me ti hanaron chiang ta chi mai US ne South Korea te hi kumtam tak chung in thian tak thin an lo ni ama ro chu tun tum US ne Iran boina bi ka hian South Korea president hian in Trump hi support atu angin Trump adu dan ang tak hian in ape thalo ni na langa hei wang hian in Trump chonin kan tel lawang training na Pentagon na order ra chawa chuan Pentagon na order ra chho mai pe lama social media hetiang hianin walau takin North Korea te na anin lechi na athat thu le Kim Jong Un te na thian thatak ani thu kha Donald Trump pa ron post nan le ta dai mai ni mo apoi mo kan riak thleng ta chi mai.
So this is not simply a story about one military exercise. It is about how Trump is trying to rewrite America's security relationships from the Korean Peninsula to West Asia.
Ya se thiam Trump pa hi chu nia hetiang hi maron le pop mai America first ati hi chu America first ve chiang rem khop mai tu na te po South Korea nan pui du lawang a hria chonin ti khan ti le mak mai ani hetianga South Korea te ne na training an nei du lawa North Korea tia walau taka an fak vel awang hian South Korea te ne nan in lei chi na in ator pha don lawem a ngong don lawem ti lampang po Trump pe chon ngai tu awak lo ni na lang ani US United States ta na thatura hria chu ti le pop mai ni ti hian mo.
And South Korea's no thanks has now become part of a much bigger geopolitical calculation.
Big shifts. Kami kha. Hey video tanga kan Henry kan soi zau the ni. Ama in thian thatak ni thina kha. Tuna chon hetiang hianin an relationship anin kara khi an ron om taringot chu ania South Korea president in Trump pa apui du lo wangin hetiang hianin Trump pa chon in South Korea ten an military drill joint military drill an nei tura khanin Pentagon ne na order pe a khai kumin chu kan tin tamfak lawang ti mi maya poisa se na ngai tambok si ti mi maya tin hengba ka hianin North Korea te ne hianin lei chi na thatak relationship thatak kan ne ti mi mai bok ani South Korea president te South Korea lam ho tu te an meng phok vi winarin oma eng tin tak riek ang mo South Korea lampang hian khobe kheda chon ron riek lo mai theya ma ro chu meeting na vela chonin an soi ve na sa vi win ka ring ani lai khati zong kha tun tum bi ka ta na kan han rieka kan han soi zau chiam thei chu ani video lai ga ni mu le theu do ne